Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm coming to you with another video. Yes, I am knocking these videos out the park for you. I am trying to get back to the old me Marie where I was like bold and fun. Even though it is fall, this is like probably a end of summer into fall look, but I just wanted to end the summer like this with a bang. This is so gorgeous, and then y'all know my hair is a mess under this. I don't know, like I said, y'all need to follow me on Snapchat, and y'all need to follow me on Instagram. All my social sites, I will leave them somewhere in this video. Everything goes down on that. We'll be going live on Instagram on Friday because I do miss y'all, and y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all like, this account's not active. You are on here, but you are not doing any makeup tutorials live. So I will be going live on Instagram Friday, and then next Friday I will be going on Facebook. I just been doing my room and stuff lately. Like, I want my room to be completely done so that you all can see this. I did do it before and after. I mean, I did do it before of my room. Like, I'm just waiting till it's like fully finished. Like, I'm waiting on the chandelier. The TV just got put up today to get my chandelier put up, but I'm missing a piece of my chandelier, so it's like then I'm out constantly buying stuff. Like, it's like, girl, you need the video so you can make you some more money. It's that long. This tutorial is really cute. I look like a Shakita banana, colorful Shakita banana or something like that. If you want to see this look, I will be having a 100K video coming up on my plaque. So keep looking for that, okay? Because when my room is done, I will be sitting down and talking to you guys about some things. Let's see how I achieve this look. Then keep on watching. So I did my brows, and y'all already know I go in with the same products for my brows. They will be linked in the description bar below when I'm about to go in, because I've been using this new technique. Oh, I'm so excited. I feel so good to be on camera. I just don't know. I went in with P.Louise Room of 5, but let me tell y'all something. I went in with concealer first, so it's already dry on underneath the brows, and then I'm going to go in with the P.Louise base. I don't know, it's just better to me. And all the areas that I did not apply that tan sand, that was Tarte Tape Shape. My 142 concealer buffer brush. This is applied, and I'm about to do it inverse method of applying the shadow. So I'm going to take this blue by Suva Beauty. It's called Cope. I'm going to take my 167 from Morphe, and I'm just going to pack this on. So inverse is easy and a little bit better, but now you're still going to lose your pigment. You just have to keep going back in forth with the shadows. Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going with this pink shade right here, 221. I think this is the match 221. I don't say the name, but I'm just gonna start blending out that blue. Actually, going inside the blue with this. Don't worry if it doesn't blend. Just keep going back and forth with this, and just you want to keep blending it. Take your time. Pat, pat, pat. Y'all see how I'm blending for dear life? Like, I see how the blue being faded out. The edge go up with it. So y'all saw how I went back in and blended that out. So the brush that I did, it was E17. Next color, the final transition is yellow, y'all. So this is like this. So the Morphe 504 is too big. Now I love the yellow, but I'm about to switch the brush. The yellow, not some of the yellow, some of that pink did get lost. So what you're gonna do is, after you are satisfied with the yellow that you have, you're gonna go back in with that pink. Actually gonna mix number 2 together with number 4. Yep. Your cut. That cut is bomb. So we're not doing no brow bone highlight. We just keep that yellow right there. I actually like it like that. Into the 35B palette and started picking up this peach right here. I'm going to a light from dark peach, light to dark peach. A crown brush, the same brush I used to cut with, but a clean one. Sorry. Actually lighter than the first one. So this is Lock Bridge. I'm going to apply that. What you want to do is pat the colors on first before you start going back in and blend each one out. Using Inglot Gel Liner number 77. Going to basically wing it like that. Actually going to mix 2 foundations together. I haven't used this one in a very long time. This is Clinique Beyond Perfecting. This is like so full coverage, so I'm just going to do it like I'm highlighting, and then I'm going to put All Nighter foundation on the outside of my, the perimeters of my face. 739 brush. So I'm just going to put this on. Perfect. Perfect combinations. Ooh. Not like that. And put some on. I'm going to dot my face with this tan sand because it's really light. So dot. Dot. Right. Wait. I'm going in with my deep. Blend this out. I'll be right back when it's time to apply the highlight and stuff like that. The fun part. Just take my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray so that we can highlight these. So before I bronze and stuff like that, I like to take my highlighter because I don't know, it just seems like it works for me. So I'm going to take a brush that I think might melt the highlighter into my skin. Highlight I'm going in with is Bronzified from Makeup Addiction. I'm actually going to spray my brush. Contour today. I'm going to go to bronze. And I'm going to contour with this brush that I use actually to powder my face with. This is a Morphe 572 brush. 527, not 572. I'm just going to bronze, contour the face. Use any other blush palette but this one, and we'll go on with this peach one. Make this look an extra I have these colored liners here. These are LA Girl, not Purple Silver. I was about to say Purple Silver. These are LA Girl neon eyeliners, y'all. Shockwave. You already know I want to add blue, but I'm going to add this mint green. Fresh. And look how creamy they are. Look at how powerful that was. You know how much these liners were? LA Girl, think how much these liners were. I love this look, y'all. And then we got cranberry here, like, oh my goodness. Add that blue right here, and we're gonna smoke it out with that peach and yellow. So this brush, I want to tell you the brush to get under the eye with. This is a Sigma E30. Go in with Lock Bridge, the E36 brush. Lip combo that I've been loving. I had this a long time ago, and they just sent me a new one. So shout out to Gerad Cosmetics for sending this PR Fudge. It's a lipstick called Between the Sheets. It's like a peachy nude. So pretty. The matte $19.95. Going in to top it off with nude. So these lights raw. Guys, I'll see you in the outro because it's a good bomb. Thank you all so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to go comment, rate, and subscribe. The subscribe button and click the bell next to it because it is only going to alert you to get notifications from me when I upload a video. That's only. And the subscribe button is free, so you might as well subscribe. Until then, I hope that you enjoyed this reverse video and learned something from it. And I'll see you guys on the next video.